to unbox and use this 5-piece multi-purpose home cleaning kit with 12-foot extension pole. I bought this in the spring of 2025 at Costco for $46.99 plus taxes Canadian. Here is the contents of the box laid out. You got different attachments and they all screw onto our extension pole here. That's just a little cloth. And again, you can see where that attaches to our pole. This is the one I want. This is the cleaning and squeegee attachment, so I can wash the exterior of my windows, which we will do. Here's the pole itself. Basically just flip that up, extend it out, go to the next one. You get the idea. So fully extended, 12 feet, I am confident I should be able to reach the windows I want to clean. First I'm going to clean the inside of the window, then we'll go outside, clean it from there, and then we'll pop back in here to compare the result to verify that our tool was able to do a decent cleaning job on the exterior of the window. I think you can see here that the exterior of this window is very dirty. I'm just going to move this around a bit. You can see the outside built up grime there. Pour some Windex into the water here and clean our window, which is up there. Well, I must say that was a successful mission. Hopefully you can see how much cleaner this window is. Way clearer. I will say now, up here, I noticed a streak mark there and there. I might reclean it. Probably not. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching.